I'll give you a live code demo of this. Because RAG has two parts, retrieval parts and generation parts, actually, so therefore the hallucination could happen in the generation parts, actually. So I'm here showing you a live example, actually, it's on one of the retrieval benchmark. So one of the large language models, commercial one, when answering the question, what is a Splendor? This is the answer, okay? And it refers to the first document, which is here. However, if you look at it, there is a chemical name of Splendor, and this document is actually does not say anything about this chemical. It didn't say it's nutritive or not. It didn't say whether it's even a sweetener. It's just talking about the health concern of it. So therefore, this is hallucination because it's language model saying, hey, this is what I believed, and this is from source one, but actually it's not from source one.